Hi guys, Steph here. Right, even though I've not been sort of doing any reviews or any pen sort of business lately due to sort of, well, I've got a little bit of a health issues, but I've still managed to go out and do a little bit of pen hunting. So we've actually got a pen haul video coming up, so keep watching, you people. But within the sort of pen hunting that I've been doing, I recently picked up this set here. Now it's as you can see there, it's a cross set. Now in my opinion, I thought, right, I need to sort of do a review on this pen set, because in my opinion the cross pens are very much underrated. So without further ado, let's show you what we've got here. So as you can see, it comes in its own case. It's got a cross instruction booklet to the cap there. And if we open this up here, you can see there we've got two cross cartridges, and also inside there we had the converter, the ink converter, which I've fitted it to the pen itself, so it's all ready to go. But basically what we've got, okay, we've got a gorgeous, there we go, is that a ballpoint, is it, or is this one the, oh no, this is the pencil. Okay, so by turning the cap there a couple of times, there you go, there's the lead. Let's pop that back in. We've also got a ballpoint pen. Once again, if we turn it, there you go, you can see the refill comes in and out like so. And last but not least, let's take that out, let's pop the box to one side. We've got the fountain pen, again in my opinion very much underrated. What we've got here, this one is the Cross Century Mark II. Okay, now beautiful condition. In my opinion, they've never been used. The pen has never been used, in my opinion, but it's in they're all in superb condition. The size of the pen from the top of the cap to the bottom, 136 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a lovely 10 millimeters in diameter. Now this particular model, the Century Mark II, I believe was launched around about 1996. They made an earlier version, just slightly different. I think these are slightly larger, slightly broader. But as I said, this particular one, superb condition. To the top there, we've got the imprint, which we'll show in a moment. And again, you can see it's got this lovely sort of line pattern running throughout the pen. You come to the clip, you've got cross, as I said, to the top there, the imprint, and we've got this little black section with this gold stud to the very top of the cap there. Beautiful pen. As I say, these, in my opinion, superb, very much underrated. This one, or the whole set, if you can see there, it's got a very professional and a very discreet initials. I believe is it S-E-L? But very professionally done, very discreet, very nice indeed. Okay, now on these we've got a friction fit cap. So let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. Okay, like so. And then what we're going to do, well, let's unscrew the barrel. You can see there we've got the converter fitted to it, so you can actually fill it with your favorite ink. Yes, these will be available. Somebody will have a gorgeous set. Now what we've got as well is a lovely, in fact I actually just forgot, I've not made a note of this. Is it the, yeah, this one is the 18 karat gold nib, 18 karat 750. So what we'll do, let's do you a close-up so we can see this gorgeous nib. So there we have it. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. And what I've also read, that these nibs were actually made by Pelican. They look very similar, but you can see it says cross 18 carat 750. It's got this lovely design to the nib as well. There's a sideways view. There's the feed underneath. You can see no remnants of ink, never been inked as we've just mentioned, but a stunning nib, as you can see there. And also, believe it, to the centre it's got a letter M for medium. Let's give you another different view. There we go. Look at that beauty. Very, very nice indeed. Now, if I pop the cap back on and then let's go up to the cap again. You can see cross to the clip there, and to the very top you can see it says cross, and then it has 1 in 20 10 carat gold filled rolled gold cap and barrel. And then to the very right, I think there to the bottom, it says USA. So these were made in the USA. Okay, so back in 1996 these were made in USA, and I believe they were made for the international market. So very, very nice indeed again. So let's go back to the normal setting. So there we have it. Absolutely gorgeous. As I said, in my opinion, very, very much underrated. Now, I'm not going to fill the pen because, as always, we're going to find a new owner. Somebody who will enjoy this gorgeous, gorgeous nib for many, many years. So let's dip it in the ink just for a dip test. And what we've got is a cross century, and this is the cross century 2, and as we've just showed you, made in USA, and they were launched approximately 1996 for the international market. And it's writing very nice indeed. There's no flex. It's quite a hard nib, but although it's a hard nib, as you'd expect from someone like Pelican, who I believe made these nibs for cross, it's a gorgeous smooth nib. There we go. Pop the cap back on with a lovely click, and then we've got the pencil, which if we just turn it like so, there we go, cross pencil, very nice indeed. Look at that, absolutely lovely. Let's just turn it again, pop the lead back in, and last but not least, we've got a ballpoint. Let's turn the cap again, and we've got a cross ballpoint pen. Also very nice indeed. And there we have it. Okay. So twist it back, and there we have it. We've got a gorgeous set of a ballpoint, a pencil, and a fountain pen. The Cross Century Mark II from round about the 1996, made in the USA in superb condition, and as I said, in my opinion, very much underrated pens. So, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, down below, leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up if you will as well. And don't forget to subscribe as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini from me and this beautiful set. Bye-bye for now.